This is Adnan Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, align them together. I'm very sure, very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market. Hello, happy independence. You can see me green and white bar. This is Nigeria. Happy independence to all Nigerians. I already know 60 to 70% of my viewers are from Nigeria. A very nice thumb up for you, and this strategy are for Nigerian traders. This is a free boom and crash special strategy only for Nigerian traders in an independent strategy. I call this magic boom and crash independent strategy. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. You can see I'm still running a long trade, which I have given the signal in my VIP group, which I always do, and I will give you the time I posted the signal in the VIP group. And when we verify the entry and we verify everything, I will dive into it and give you the settings for this free boom and crash scalping independent strategy. So stick with me in this video. I'm Adnan Global Access Forex. I'll give you all the details you need to in order to make sure you make the forex market. So let's dive into it. See, this is my BIP group where I posted my signals and every update. So let me go and check. 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 Now giving the signal not just far away for the last 24 hours. I think it's a crash 1000 signal running. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. I'll go. This is just it before this step index signal. And this is exactly the signal. I give the signal for the last 24 hours, which was crash 1000 in the sell signal entry level. TF1 50 pips, TF2 100 pips, TF3 150 pips. Gallantly, as we always used to do, 300 pips gallant on a single swing trade. So anytime we take a single swing trade in our BIP signals, our average range of pips range from 50 pips up to 300 pips. That's for standard scalpers. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let's dive into the strategy and confirm. You can see our entry. Look at our entry, 92.51. And let me show you something. And check the date. 27th. That's to tell you that almost 3 to 4 days ago. This is 1st October. Happy independence to all Nigerians. Almost 5 days ago. So I was backtesting the strategy for the last 5 days, and I've been seeing the result. I'm seeing the awesome and good result, and that's why I'm ready to sacrifice this strategy to all Nigerian boom and crash traders. So let's dive into it. So this is it. You see this entry 92.51 and 251. Let's go back from the VIP signal. You see 92.51.6, 92.59.6. That's the exam. And let me show you the date. It's 27 September. You see the date is showing. See, so I've been holding this trade for the last 4 to 5 days just for me to prove a strategy and identify a corrective content for you to have. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Please, for those that are new to this channel, if you have any problem with forex trading, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'll always make sure to give you the best and the best of everything you need to have. So let's dive into it. We have free registration for everything you need to have Some things that are pretty fine, some things that are not, you can be all up and have the access as you move on. This is a non-global access forex. So let me give you the settings for the strategy. Let me give you the settings for the strategy. Let me give you the settings for the strategy first. Now I'll give you the guidelines. So let me give you the settings. You see the settings, we have them here. Cool. You see, this is our away sum independent strategy. It's called the independent strategy because I give this strategy on this Independence Day. Happy independence to all Nigerian traders. So let's dive into it. See, this is the independent strategy. See the independent strategy capture. So that's that about that. So let me show you the basic point. Let me give you the settings. Let me give you the settings first. On the main window indicator, we have the moving average. We have the 50 exponential moving average, shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Apply to close. Please, these are the settings I did for one strategy I was given and is updated. For this strategy, for this independent boom and crash trading strategy 2021 from Adnan Global Access Forex, the settings for the moving average of this today's strategy is 50 period exponential moving average applied to close, shift 0, level no level, style any color of your choice. That's my color, you can choose your own. That's done. Then let's move to the next one. Is Ichimoku. I always mention Ichimoku because I like the name and it gives me what I want in the market. It always gives me what I want. Ichimoku always give me what I want. I have more than 50 trades, live direct entry trigger that was verified and filtered by Ichimoku. Very soon I will have a very free course for you on how to identify market turning point and market structure with Ichimoku. It's a very, very good identifying trend indicator that may allow you to align if you use it in a proper way, because most of the time they lag very well. Indicators lag very well, but when you identify indicators, you can be able to leverage your trading system with respect to any indicator you are trading with. For more information, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Let me give you the full settings now for the Ichimoku. Tinkunsin, we have 9. Kinjosin, we have 9. And Sinkunspan B, we have 52. Leave it fill. Tinkunsin, yellow. And apart from Tinkunsin, any other thing here from Kinjinsin, Chikospan, up Kumo, down Kumo, all of them, if your background color is white, make them white. If your background color is black, make them black. You can see I make them black here because my background color is black. Look at it here. You see, my background color is black. So if to say my background color is white, I will make them all white. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let me let me put settings for, let me add levels for this average true range and 90 10 95 another level 05 5 and 5 done. You can see I have some levels there, they are not aligned, so leave it, forget about those levels I put there. So as you can see, I've given you the settings for the Ichimoku. That's the settings for the Ichimoku. So let's go to the window indicator 1. We have the average to range, we have the what levels about 50, 95, 50, sorry, not 50, Average true range, the period is 20. Levels, we have 90, 10, 95, 5. Back. See, style, that's my color. You can choose the same color with mine. You can change it to your own color. Fine. Come back here. You have to click done on everything you have done. Anything you set up, everything, to make sure to click on done, because I've already set them up earlier, so I don't have to click on done now. That's why I'm not clicking on. I'm done setting it up. So let's move on. The next one is window moving average. The same moving average you inserted on your main window indicator is the same moving average you are going to place in your in your average true range, which is period 50, shape 0, method exponential, apply to close. Yes, no level, style, that's style, make it down, that's all. So you see, that's for the moving average. So the same moving average that you put on with Uchimoku here is the same moving average you are putting in this average true range. Yes, because we are using the moving average to identify the average true range of the turning points and also the average true range of the market volatility, because average true range, it's used to measure volatility in the market. It's a volatility measurement indicator. For those that are new to this channel, kindly stick with me, and also you can check in the description of this video. I made a 40-minute video on what it means by average true range and how you can be able to use average true range to leverage some decisions in your trading, and also to be able to help yourself and get the best out of this trading world. This is Adnan Global Access Forest. So let's dive into it. Let me give you the last indicator right here. Yeah, window indicator 2, we have the MACD. So our fast EMA is 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Levels, no levels, main, okay, style, main, green, signal line, or she says signal red. So that's that, and click on done. So you can see we have already getting our independent strategy. Look, imagine you capture this independent strategy at this level. Imagine it. This is another back test that I want to give you all the rules and the confirmations for this strategy. Just look at this strategy. Number one, this market has been trading for a very long time, but it has not broken below this level. Then market continue, it comes down and break this level, but it was trying to retest it. But what happened at this level? At this level of retest, this yellow Ichimoku line has crossed this 50 exponential moving average, and market has spiked immediately at that level to show a sign of rejection and come back and cross above this level. Market has come above. Immediately market crossed the exponential moving average, the 50 exponential moving average. Just wait and see for any candle that come and close above previous swings high to show sign of strength in the market. As you just got that confirmation, just check your moving average here. If it's curve upward, fine, strong confirmation. Check your MACD. If your MACD's red signal line crossing above, if it's crossing above, you get this confirmation from here, and your bar started to go small and started forming new upward bars. The last confirmation you need to get to be your entry trigger for this market is your average true range. You just come and ask yourself, at which point does this thing happen? Is this as a very high volatility, or at a very low volatility? Market always move from low volatility to a high volatility, from a high volatility to a low volatility. If you want to know how market always move with respect to this, kindly check the link in the description of this video. I have made a video called how to identify average true range with Boom&Crash. You'll get that video and you'll be able to watch it and understand how to identify market volatility and how get volatile movement. So that's that. So if you just come and check your average true range, if it's as a very high volatility, then you will wait and see for a sign of weakness, because you are expecting market to reverse, because market will move from a low volatility to a high volatility, from a high volatility to a low volatility, from a low volatility to a high volatility. That's how market actually works. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So you'll just get your entry intact as you just confirm market is moving from like this one now. So this market at this level, when this thing happened, this market was at this level at a high volatility. What happened? The market calmed down, it collapsed, and that's what this trend goes off, and this thing go off, and you can confidently take your trade. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Let me give you other back test so that I can give you the conditions. Number one conditions for your Ichimoku to cross above the 50 exponential moving average. Like another one here, look at it. Another one for uptrend. I want to see for downtrend. The last one we enter is for downtrend. Look at it here. This is why I was even trying to give you as an instance. Just look at it. Here, what happened? The market did not break this high, come down and form another high low. Did not break it, come down and form another high low. When the market come and cross this Ichimoku yellow line, come and cross this, what is it called? Moving average. When it crosses downwards, and this moving average to always curve downwards, and the average to run at this level is at a very high volatility. So wait and see a sign of weakness. So seeing here, see market is having a weakness. Before you know, the market will change from a high volatility to a low volatility, and that if that happens, then you will see your mark this signal line is crossing downward, and the bars continue to produce below the zero level. At this level, you just enter your confirmation trade, and that's how we are able to capture this swing. Now we have captured this swing. Now you see this swing. This is one swing from here to here, one swing. Let me show you. This is actually a one swing. You see, this is a one swing. I put my trend line. Sorry, yeah, this is one swing. Let me put another one. One swing. I want to put trend line as well. You see, this is another swing as well. So that's that about that. We have captured one swing. So this is Adnan Global Access.